So welcome back to the channel. So in this video I want to show you how I prepare Japanese mugicha. So here I have the jug that I will be using. This is about 2 liters, and of course I have my glass cup which I'll be drinking from. I love Japanese mugicha because it's kind of medicinal. Let me just say highly medicinal. So this is the Japanese mugicha that I will be making. One thing I like about this drink is you can drink it in all season. For winter, you can drink it hot. For summertime, you can drink it very chilled, cold, okay? So guys, let me show you how to prepare Japanese mugicha in an easy way. So you start first by boiling water. Make sure your water is well boiled. No matter the season that you are, I always like to boil my water because when I boil the water, I feel like it will help to extract all the contents of the herbal drink. So guys, here you can see the water is well boiled, and then I'm pouring it into my jug because the hot water, the heat of the hot water will help to extract all the contents of the mugicha. And now it is time to add the mugicha. Guys, like I like to take one bag depending on how much water I'm using. So let's start with one bag first for this one. One thing I know for sure is if the water is not up to 2 liters, maybe one bag will be enough. But if I'm using 2 liters of water, I like to use 2 bags. But for this video, let's just carry out an experiment. Let's see first what one bag will look like. I've done this before and I know too well it will just be, very light. Yeah, kind of like light because the water is much, right? But let's just carry out the experiment and see things for ourselves. So if you watch closely, guys, you will just see that the water is beginning to change color. Yeah, and this is because the hot water is beginning to extract all the contents of the mugicha, the herbal drink. Like this mugicha, my God, I have carried out this mugicha's experiment during flu season. Guys, it kind of like helped a lot. Like it helped to relieve you a lot, and this is why I like drinking mugicha. I mean, it's a very strong herbal drink, very good for the body, Japanese drink. So you can see that the water is gradually changing, like the color. Guys, look at this. Look at this, like the extract is just amazing. So the hot water is helping us to extract all the contents of the mugicha. So let me just allow you guys to watch the rest of the video, enjoy the video. But one thing I know for sure is this one bag is not gonna be enough for this level of water that I put. And mind you, if you look very well, I did not even fill the jug to the brim. So I just put like 3/4 of the water, but then it will still be, the water is still much for the mugicha because it will be so light. Definitely, I know I'm going to be adding a second bag of mugicha because I like it to be well rich. Like I like it dark, dark brown, you know. I feel like it has more content. So I think, I don't know, I stand to be corrected. Maybe even this light one is okay. But then in my thinking, I feel like when the mugicha is dark, I feel like you get more of its value, whatever thing, ingredients that is inside of it. Guys, so enjoy the rest of the video, because if you allow me, actually, guys, I just like to talk and I just enjoy talking. I mean, I'm a YouTuber, I enjoy talking, and also I am just super excited that, I'm sharing this experiment with you all for you to see how to make mugicha. Mugicha. I hope I pronounced it so well. And guess what again? I always buy more than one bag. I don't know if I ever videoed it in this particular video, but I always have more than a bag of Mugicha. So the one you saw, I've opened already. I have another bag that I've not opened. There was a time I traveled to my home country, Nigeria, and I gave some persons this Mugicha bag as a gift, like a whole bag. Guys, they came back, they were asking for more. When they finished drinking their bag, because I spent about a month plus in Nigeria at that point in time, they came back asking if I have that herbal tea, that herbal tea. Guys, a lot of them said it does good for them, like it's been doing good for me. So this is few minutes after I placed the one bag of Mugicha in this 3/4 water in the jug. So you can see it's kind of like light. So looking at it like this, I feel like, well, it's okay. But I really want to add another bag of Mugicha. So for this particular drink, I will be drinking it, a bit warm. Yeah, the weather is changing right now, but today is kind of like still cold. So this is why I will be drinking it warm. But on a very sunny day, like summer periods, if I finish doing it like this, then I'll place it inside the refrigerator for it to get very chilled, before I can drink it. So this is the Mugicha so far. I gave it enough time. Trust me, I gave this particular experiment enough time to see how much it can extract from this one bag. And this is quite some minutes, and to me, it's still kind of like very light, so light. Some persons might like it like this, but I like it, kind of like dark, more dark than this, okay? So I feel like with that means you have more ingredients from the herbal tea in the water. Guys, it's still extracting. I can still see it. If you look at the top side close to the bag, you still see some, you know, more brownish things coming out. It means it's still kind of extracting. Okay, so let's keep watching and see how much it can just extract from the one bag, or what the color of the water will look like later. Guys, never mind the noise coming from outside. They are having campaign, I think election people, and so they've been campaigning since for their party. So you'll be hearing some noise from the loudspeaker. Just ignore, please. So guys, you can see, oh, this is even 2.1 liter. Yeah, okay. 2.1 liter. So one bag is certainly not enough. So I feel like for 1 liter, maybe one bag is okay. So for 2 liters, I feel like two bags. And now this is even 2.1. So one bag is certainly not okay, except you want to drink it, this light this way. Maybe you want to just manage your Mugicha bag. You don't want it to finish on time. Well, guys, I am very, how do I put it? Do I use the word generous with it? Like, I like to get enough from it. So I don't spare it at all. I get enough of its ingredients, enough of the nutrients inside, guys. It sure does good to my body and to our body in this house. Okay, guys, now I'm being tempted. I'm contemplating, do I put a second bag? And that is what I am about doing right now. Honestly speaking, I'm about doing it right now because if I want to drink Mugicha, it has to be really, 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 really like more dark than this. Okay, of course I can drink it this way too. It is okay, but I feel like When it is dark, it has more ingredients. Guys, trying to put the second bag at this point in time, like honestly speaking, let's put the second bag of Mugicha. Ta-da! And there we have it. 2 bags of Mugicha in 2.1 liters of water. Okay, let's just call it 2 liters because we did not fill the water to the top. So let's just call it 2 liters at this point in time. Okay, so you will see now the difference in color. So it tells you, the more the bag, the more the extract. But guys, please be careful when you are doing Mugicha. Don't go and use more than 1 bag. Like this cup of water, this glass cup here, don't use more than 1 bag for this, please. If I want to use only this glass cup here, I use just a bag of Mugicha. The same thing I do for green tea. If I'm doing only this cup that is here, I use only 1 green tea. But now we are doing Mugicha, so I use only 1 bag of Mugicha for this glass cup. Okay, so because I'm not the only one drinking and I want to use the jug to do the Mugicha to extract its contents, so the jug is 2.1 liters, so we are assuming it's just 2 because I did not fill the water to the top. 2 bags is perfect. You can see it's turning dark at this point in time. Guys, I'm super excited. I just love Mugicha. Japanese people drink this a lot. Like it's a very common drink here in Japan, just like ocha, green tea. Very common and then very affordable. Like as highly medicinal as this herbal tea is, yet it is super affordable. Like they made it affordable, accessible, for anyone to just easily buy. You can even go to what looks like a dollar store here and just get it. Very affordable. Honestly speaking, you can see the difference right now. I mean, the water is turning dark. So we have more Mugicha's extracts in the water. Guys, I am super excited. I'm just loving it. I'm loving it. I have made one Mugicha's video before, and guess what? That video did pretty well. And a lot of persons were asking me in that video some questions. So this is the reason why I decided to make another detailed video of Mugicha, so that if you want to do your own Mugicha, you will have idea how to make Japanese Mugicha. So I have used this drink during the time of colds, flu, cough. And guys, it helps a lot. Like it sure relieve a lot. Like a lot. You will see the visible difference. So during winter time, when the weather is super cold, one of the ways to keep myself warm is to make Mugicha, like hot Mugicha, drinkable, temperature of water. So not so hot to peel your mouth. No, no, no. So I use it during cold season, and also when it is sunny or summer, I make the Mugicha with hot water and leave it in the refrigerator for it to chill, and then I will relax with my Mugicha. Guys, I'm super, super, super excited. I'm loving what the Mugicha color is looking like right now. Yeah, it's looking so, so, so good. So good at this point. So for me, I can drink it like this. This is how I like to drink my Mugicha. But I still want to give it some more time to see if it will extract more. Like I want to get every maximum content of this Mugicha. I want to get everything. Nothing will be a waste here. So this is how to prepare Japanese Mugicha. You want to learn how to prepare Japanese Mugicha, how to make Mugicha. Guys, keep watching this video. This is a detailed video, a comprehensive video for you to understand the step-by-step way to make a Japanese Mugicha. herbal drink. This drink is super amazing. I am not advertising for Mugicha or the brands, but then when you see something good, I mean, it's a pleasure to share it with the world, right? Yeah. Japanese people, they enjoy this drink a lot, like a lot. If you are doing if you want to give somebody a gift, you can even give them a bag of Mugicha. Yeah, they will highly appreciate it. The other time at my place of work, someone gave us green tea as they call it here omiyage, like a souvenir, kind of like gift. Somebody just gave us, omiyage, like a gift. Okay, you take, you take, you take, okay? And it was green tea, like a pack of green tea. Hey, I'm like, these people, they appreciate the little things of life. They appreciate, you don't need to break the bank because you want to gift someone. You can just give someone what will be beneficial to the person, like the person's health. So trust me, I like to clean. Just that little stain from the heat of the jug. That's how I clean, though. Guys, let's pour our mugicha in our glass cup. This is super amazing. Ta-da! Here comes our Mugicha. Guys, why am I this excited? I don't know. Am I excited because someone is going to get benefit from this video? Am I excited because, I love Mugicha? Am I excited, guys? But by and large, it's good to be happy. Okay, this is another juicy part. How can I forget this part? Guys, I am going to be having this delicious mugicha for breakfast with buns. Hey, guys, see the way I am just super excited. Like, are you not feeling what I'm feeling? I made these buns just some minutes ago, and now I am going to be having this mugicha with my buns. Guys, are you feeling me? Are you feeling me? Are you feeling me? I can't sing, but let me try and just sing a little. Guys, can you beat this? This is breakfast. Like, breakfast is ready. Can you see that Mugicha goes with almost everything edible? And I still have a little more or some more remaining. I will give it to, my family people to eat. A bit of drink. So, but then if you are just doing it for yourself, you can just keep it in the refrigerator. Guys, it will stay for some days. It will still be okay. Breakfast is ready. I wanted to say breakfast is served. Of course, breakfast is served, but you know the kind of breakfast I'm talking about, not the other breakfast. Guys, I am super, super, super excited. Breakfast is ready. I am having buns and Japanese mugicha for breakfast. Guys, at this point in time, please come to the table. Let's eat. Let's eat so we can all reason together. What do you guys think about this video? Hope you like this video. Please share, subscribe. See you guys in my next video. Bye, guys.